Look, it's really nice day. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, so we are start of light now. Those trees is start na mag ano yan, how beautiful it is. Very nice. Yun, we are heading home now. We're going home. So we're here beside the canal and looking for those trees. And we had sunlight now. Yun. But it's still cold. It's not that you can feel the sunlight on your hair, I mean the head, but then it's not that warm, it's still cold. So sabi kay na ay mga tao, this is one of our view when they have a leaves. Huh? Where? And now she's looking for the butterfly. What color is this? No, it's a moth. Have a look. Is it a butterfly or a moth?
A butterfly.
Are you sure it's a butterfly?
Yeah.
Wow. What color is it?
Orange.
Orange butterfly. She was looking for the orange butterfly. I don't think so. I think that's not butterfly. Oy. Look, our trees is look like dead, isn't it? But if you could see, there is yeah, a flower. When it's bloom, it's really nice. Come on, Mia. We'll see if it's butterfly.
Oh no! Flies are away.
Oh yeah.
We
Ooh.
needed it.
They're coming back. They're coming back. They're coming back. They come to you. Oh, they're really tired, baby. Yeah.
No! We fly away.
Yeah, because the butterfly is hungry. Yeah. There's some people in here walking with the dog. But where? No, it's okay, Nak. It's okay. Leave them. It's not a ladybird.
A ladybird.
Oh, yes. And they have a ladybird as well.
Now we're done.
Where's the ladybird?
Another one.
Yeah. Oh, there's loads of ladybird. Oh, that's a ladybird. And there's another one here. And that one as well. Wow. So she was looking with the butterfly. Come on then. There's loads of ladybird in here, but Mary Faye, you can't hold that one because it's not. You don't know. We don't have daddy. If it's daddy's here, you can hold that one, but we don't know where is the poisonous or not. Come on. And that one there is a canal. There's a bird here. Alimukon. Look. Ta-da! In the different way, we usually walking that side. Wow, it's really nice. the clouds. Look how nice is that. Come on. I don't know where she put her hair bow. What?
There she is in the water.
Yeah, that one is. It's a bin. No, Mary Faye, walk that side, please.
Wahoo! You say it.
Yahoo!
Nina.
What do you mean, Nino? Come on then. Look, green kaayo. It's really, really green. Wow. Do you know, walk and run over there?
Yeah, over there.
No, over there.
Over
On
there.
that. Yes, go. Go on then. No, over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that you hide, that I won't see you. Mary Faye. Wow, very nice. There she is. I can see you. Come on. Where? Behind you. Okay. We'll see. Yeah. Yes, baby. Come on. That's our town hall over there. Not yet. I'm not ready yet. Are you sure? Oh, yes. Wow. Oh no, there's another one here. Oh, they thought that we have a food. We don't have food. What they're doing? They're showing you. Hello, they're coming. The other one's coming to Mary Faye. Hello, baby. Hello. Look, look. Sit down in here, and she's coming. Come on. Come on. Tick, 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 tick. Ay. Come on. Sit down. They're coming. They're coming to you, look. See? See, they're coming now. Sit down here. Oh, they're scared.
Right there, flash.
Ayan, there's some more people here. They do jogging. And some of them, they're walking. Come on, babies. Come on. You can do it. Here. They're asking you food. But we don't have bread. Hiya.
Some of the people here are walking. There's more in there walking as well. Wow. And that she's walking towards the duck. Be careful. They're coming to you. Why, what happened to your trouser? It's okay. What are you gonna do? Look, they're going to splash now. Ready? 1, 2, go!
Go!
Yay! Wait lang. Mary Faye, this side, please. Mary Faye, this side. Mare, here. Look, they're coming. Well, you don't have friends. Nasty. That's a baby na. Come on. Come on. Look at them boogers in there. What they do. I can see you. Throwing stone with a duck. No, 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 no. I am looking with those two men in there, Vikings. Come on, then. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Mare, no, please don't. Don't do that. Come on. Mare. Don't do that. Might be you will. You're hungry. Look. You're very hungry. Hello. Come on. Oh, the popo. Can you see? We don't have bread, babies. There. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Share the fish. Look. Yeah. Shit.